morning, Standard 7, and today we will discuss the rest of chapter 5, that is the advanced features in Excel. Okay, today's topic is sorting a record. Okay, this is 7. Sorting a record. How to sort? Actually, sort feature is used to quickly change the order of record in a list. Okay, you can sort your database tables, recognizing your informations, and there is you can sort in the ascending order list or in the descending order list, or from A to Z. Okay, ascending order, that is A to Z, or descending order, Z to A. Okay, so to sort the records in a list, okay, we have to follow some steps. First one, click on the field name that you want to sort. Okay, first one is field name. Click on the field name that you want to sort. Second one is click on the data tab. Click on data tab. Okay, third one is click on the sort A to Z or Z to A. A to Z or Z to A. Okay, that sorting order or and filter group. Okay, then you can also do one thing here, that will be sorted. Okay, you can also do that as on the down arrow button and choose the sort command from the menu that appears, and my Excel sorts have records based on the field you specified. So sorting with the sort dialog box. To sorting with the sort dialog box, how to sort? First, click on the data tab. Okay, dialog box, using dialog box. Using dialog box also you can sort. That is, sort on the first. So click on the data tab first. Data tab. Then sorting options. Click on the sort options. Sort and filter group. In the sort and filter group. Okay. Sort options in the sort and filter group. Then click on the down arrow menu. Click on the down arrow menu and select the primary field to sort by. And then step 4, click on the drop down menu or choose whether you want to sort the field in ascending order or descending order. Okay. After that, click on the drop down menu to specify the additional field to the sort and choose the criteria. After choosing the criteria, click on the add label to add the additional sort tables or sort labels. Then click on the OK button to sort the data. Okay, that is how sorting a record is done. Next one is filtering data with the auto filter. Filtering data with the auto filter. Here you can use filter option to display only the desired options of your data, and filters are used to filter and narrow the list, display only those records that meet the criteria specified. Okay, you specified. So here also some steps are there to follow. Click on the filter button of the field labels for the data you want to filter. Okay, their data, clicking on data, filter button, and then go to filter button, click on the filter button from the filter in data group. Then click on the checkbox to make up. Click on the, yes, then click on the checkbox to make it off for any item you want to filter out. Okay, after you apply the filter, only those records that make the checked item will be remains, and then click on the OK button. Then that desired data that you have clicked, they will only remain, and rest will also be deleted out. Next, how to view all the records from the records again. Click on the filter icon, okay, and then click filter form. First one, click on the how to view all. Click on the filter button, and then click on clear filter option, and then you can use the advanced option or data tab to open the advanced filter dialog box. Here also advanced filter dialog box. Okay, you can use also advanced filter dialog box to advancedly filter the data tab, and there further customize your filter, selecting the operator and the value to apply the filtered data, okay, or to apply on the filtered data. So in this way you can filter the data again. Okay, this is just a theoretical class, or if we should have some practical class then it could be better, but due to this COVID-19 lockdown we are unable to get all these facilities. So read all their book and question. This is the last class for chapter 5. Question answer will be sent soon. Okay, thank you, have a good day.